In this video, I'm going to show you a free tool we have that allows you to search Plenty of Fish and browse member profiles based upon your search settings without having to be a member, without having to sign up. And when you come to this page, if you're not on it already, the short URL to get here is nbots.me/WT17. Just scroll down, there's the form there. You select sex of the person or the type of people you'd like to meet, age, state, or county. The more specific you are here, the less results. The more general, the more results. And then the type of relationship you want that person to want. For example, you want to meet people that are female, age 30, in Connecticut, that want to date but nothing serious. Of course, we know that means hookup. After you've specified your settings, click the Create POF search links below. You get two search links, text-based and image-based. Text-based search results provide just that, text results of what you input for your search setting. Click any of the results and you are taken to that person's profile. If you want to do it by image instead, then just click the image search results button and then you can browse by images instead. And when you see a woman you're attracted to, you click on her picture and you will be taken to her profile. Again, the profile matches your search settings that you specified in this form. Anytime you want, you can come back and change the results. And again, new links will be created for those search results. And what's great about this is one of the things that Plenty of Fish does that pisses off a lot of people is they create age restrictions of which profiles you look at. So for example, if you're a 50-year-old guy, you can't look at 18-year-old girls. I kind of understand why Plenty of Fish does this, but this bypasses that situation. 18-year-old female, Connecticut, and text-based.